it's Adam here. Thank you for joining me for another recipe video, and in today's video we're going to be making a Mexican tortilla lasagna. What I love about this dish is that it is like a cross between Italian meets Mexican. It's got all the layers as you'd find in a traditional lasagna, only that it is completely plant-based. It is vegan cheese we're putting on top. I don't miss any bechamel sauce or anything like that. We've got a lovely chili mayonnaise to go underneath it. In fact, it's one of my favorite dishes since going fully plant-based. It's really nice, and it's perfect for dinner parties, to wow guests with. It's also really good for leftovers, like lunches the next day. It tastes just as good. So let's get started. So these are the ingredients we're going to be using. Everything's pretty standard. Vegan mayonnaise, obviously. And this is the vegan cheese we're going to be using, which is also really good. Been using it a few times now, and it melts just exactly the same, and to me it tastes exactly the same. What you want? Are you a greedy puss? No, you've been a naughty puss. So it's gone into bake now for 15 minutes, and then what I'll do is I'll take the foil off and then put it back in the oven for the final 10 minutes, and then we will serve. So this is where you end up. Alright guys, so this is the final dish. Lovely vegan Mexican tortilla lasagna. It looks really good. The layers are definitely in there, I assure you. But obviously when you're taking it out, scooping it out, all that matters is that it goes on the plate and it tastes good. So I'm gonna try a little bit now. Always blow first. It's a cross between like a lasagna and an enchilada, somewhere in between there, but it's really tasty, and I would definitely recommend making it as soon as you watch this video, unless you've already eaten, then make it the next night. If you like this video, you like the recipes that I'm doing, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel. You won't miss another video if you do. I look forward to seeing you again very soon. Goodbye. Do you want to come in? Do you want to come in? Come on then. I know it's your house too. Yes? I love you, sister.